Okay guys, today we're doing something a little different here. Me and Adriana, we're going to be destroying this old ceiling fan. Yes, so let's destroy it, my guys.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna be holding
broke
it.
it down?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, record
Saving, get out of the way.
Record me being in the grass. Get off and record me.
Zane, you stay here. No, stay on this bench.
Guys, I'm going to throw it in the air.
Woo! See how much damage it did.
Oh my gosh, guys. Let's see. Let me drop it.
It's all muddy.
Let me get the blade off. Oh, there we go.
We got two. Oh, never mind. It's just one. See that blade, guys? Look at that.
Yes, yeah, I just... Okay, it's Adriana's turn to do something.
Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna... Got a blade.
Okay, let me...
No, I didn't.
Let me just, break...
Okay,
let
that's
me
what I
just
got.
do-
I kind of bended that, but I didn't really break it.
Yeah, you can kick it. Go ahead.
There we go.
Guys, what?
That's what I broke off.
What?
It was half a blade. Hey, no, we have to pick up our blades.
No, just, yeah, organize it. Wait, Hey, guys. Yeah. Okay. Oh, my God.
Why does it keep on doing a split?
Oh, my
Here, give me that blade. Also,
Oh, my
give
God.
me those blades.
Okay, dude, you missed that part. Record me breaking the other one off.
Okay. There we go. Okay, let me just grab these blades.
You can break them in half too. Try to break one in half.
Maybe not. I don't know. No. Hey guys, we are going to organize
We're
this
not done
blade.
yet.
Yeah,
Record
but
me.
we're not done yet. Oh, there you go, Joseph.
Let me record me breaking this one.
That was easy peasy.
Let me.
We're gonna go put those on the table. There you go. Okay, here we go. Snapping another one. Oh, there we go. This one. That one's hard. There you go. Xavier, did you bring those pop things up there?
Okay, hold on, guys. I'm coming back.
Let's put these over here. Here you go, Joseph. Just walk over to Joseph.
Let's go back and. Guys,
We still have the motor, too. Let's go over here. Xavier, get out of the video. Okay.
okay, let's just break the piece of metal. Oh. Okay, that's hard.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. It's not that hard. Let me break some of the light things off where the globes would go. Don't throw that in the fire though.
Okay. Keep it stable.
There we go. Ugh, this is a...
I'm gonna bend that one, huh?
Ah! salt. Ugh.
Stop. Get out of the video. What's wrong? Come here, Savian. Oh, hey, put that back. That's Grandpa's. Okay, we got one blade over
Okay,
here.
this thing is really hard.
Poor little fan.
I'm doing something to get this off.
Adrian, remember we all got in here and then Shasha and Danny, I think everybody that was here, and Justin.
How you doing over there, Joseph? What you trying to do?
Break this off. Blade bracket. Blade bracket. Come on. Okay. I got that off.
All we got left is the motor, huh?
Yes. Yeah, this thing is like mine. That's off.
Is that a Harbor Breeze one? Harbor Breeze?
Somewhat tough. Rest in peace, Harbor Breeze. Okay, we're out.
Bye, guys.
Bye.